Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Ever picked up or played with a puppy only to realize that you didn't check your phone, hear that alert go off, and 30 minutes just flew by? That's because you were focused. Today we're exploring the surprising power of cuteness, or Kawaii, to increase your focus and concentration. We'll explain what it is, review some research that backs it up, and then give you the formula to use to improve your concentration to 10x your productivity. Kawaii is a Japanese term that translates roughly to cute or adorable. But it's not just about anything cute. Kawaii has specific characteristics: big eyes, soft features, pastel colors, and childlike innocence. Think fluffy animals, puppies, or kittens. Now here's the cool thing. Studies have shown that looking at Kawaii images can actually improve your ability to focus. One study, published in the journal PLOS One, titled "The Power of Kawaii: Viewing Cute Images Promotes a Careful Behavior and Narrows Attentional Focus," found that participants who viewed Kawaii images before a concentration task performed better than those who didn't. Researchers believe the effect has something to do with the emotional response Kawaii triggers. When we see something cute, our brains release dopamine, a feel-good hormone that also plays a role in reward and motivation. This can put us in a positive, relaxed state, which helps us concentrate better by reducing stress and anxiety. So, how can you leverage the power of Kawaii to boost your focus? Here's a few tips. Keep a Kawaii image at your desk or workspace. Look at it every once in a while, or keep it in your peripheral vision. Set your phone wallpaper to something adorable. Take short breaks to watch funny animal videos or look at cute pictures online. I put one of those cool videos in the show links for you. Decorate your workspace with Kawaii objects. Just having them around is going to give you the effect. Remember, the key is to find things that you generally find cute and bring you joy. There you have it. The next time you need a little focus boost, don't underestimate the power of a little Kawaii cuteness. It just might be the surprise weapon you've been looking for. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.